Today we're heading to Florida to spend some time on the Florida East Coast Railway. Join me for some coffee and trains.
Find a spare couple of minutes and grab a beverage. It's Sunday morning coffee and trains with Deanne.
Hello, Rail fans. I'm Deanne from Railfan Depot. The Florida East Coast is a storied railroad with a long history, but today we're looking at the recent past and begin our rail fanning at Jacksonville's Bowdoin Yard.
We're at milepost 8 at the south end of the Florida East Coast Bowdoin Yard, with Jacksonville in the background and GP 40-2 number 442 switching empty rock cars. FEC receives cars from both Norfolk Southern and CSX here. It's noon and the FEC's premier intermodal train number 101 is leaving as usual right on time. 101 runs daily, taking CSX and FEC intermodal traffic to Hialeah Yard in Miami. As 101 heads for the main line, train 202 from Hialeah, with intermodal traffic and empty auto racks arrives. The FEC has an intermodal ramp at Bowdoin. South Florida consumes trainloads of products daily and produces nothing. The only way out for empty tractor trailers is back up congested I-95, consuming fuel. So the FEC runs frequent scheduled intermodal departures to Miami and Fort Lauderdale. Northbound 206, Norfolk Southern intermodal traffic and empty auto racks from Hialeah at milepost 27. Local 905 ambles slowly along at milepost 31, waiting for southbound 105, Norfolk Southern intermodal for Hialeah. The FEC's fleet consists of 4 4,300 horsepower EMD SD70M-2s, its first new power in more than 20 years. 45 3,000 horsepower GP40s, most of which have been rebuilt by FEC at the new Smyrna Beach shops, or EMD, to -2 or -3 standards, and 20 3,000 horsepower SD40-2s bought from the Union Pacific.
The FEC is a well-maintained and great-looking regional railroad. We're treated to a variety of locomotives and paint schemes. As we hang out trackside, I notice what's hogging the main is primarily intermodal and rock trains. This show covers almost 200 miles of the FEC. If you want to see more, check out the link in the description below.
202 crosses Maria Sanchez Lake in St. Augustine. 2 passenger cars are carrying the freight. Local 905 heads south at the same location. Southbound 105 heads into the siding at Bunnell, milepost 66, to meet northbound 202. Because the FEC operates on a level grade, 3/4 of a horsepower per tonne will get a train to 60 miles an hour. 105 wastes no time in getting underway. Three of the ex-UP SD40-2s head south. The units had just been painted when the FEC purchased them. The FEC took off the UP markings and applied their own.
No matter where you're watching our website, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, thank you. And hit the like, love, and subscribe buttons. And please leave us a comment. We read every comment. If you like railfanning with me, check out the Coffee and Trains playlist. There's a link right on the screen.